Did you know that you can make up to $500 just by opening browser? You will know exactly how you can do this after you watch this video, so make sure to stick with me until the end of it. This is now. Before that, if you want to earn $4,000 to $10,000 every month. So I am going to give you one course. If you find one emoji, which I have hidden in this video, you have to tell me your answer in Instagram. I will give the link in description. If you are right, then you will get those $100 course absolutely free. In the method I am going to tell, you do not need to invest any experience and money. This method is absolutely free. So make sure you will watch this video completely. So if you have not liked the video and subscribed the channel yet, then subscribe quickly. Welcome to X Finance. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Step number 1. Now let's return to the video. Before we begin, there's a step 0 that you must complete before proceeding to the official method. Go to Google and put pretty flowers in the search box. Then go to the images section and it will show you this whole page with photos of pretty flowers. Scroll down the page and find the perfect image for you. Set it aside for now, because that will be your money maker for later. Now you're ready to go to the website where you can make money from the pretty flowers that you just looked for earlier. It's called teespring.com. Teespring is a simple solution for producing and selling goods that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. The website is delighted to give these 3 valuable benefits to all of its customers right away. No cost, no hassle, and no risk. Now that sounds divine, right? So I want you to browse the page and scroll down a little bit to find these wonderful items. Right here, they have shirts, hoodies, pants, leggings, phone cases, accessories, and so much more. I'm sure you now have an idea of how you're going to make money with Teespring, which is to create apparel designs based on the image you saved earlier. You have the option to choose what apparel you want on this page right here. So you have tees, women's tees, hoodies, sweatshirts, and many more. So feel free to explore the apparel categories on the left column of the left portion of the page right here. So now let me tell you what you have to do to make this work. Remember that photo that we saved a while ago. You're now going to use it and put it in an apparel as a design and then submit it to Teespring to make it official. Teespring will do the work for you by putting the design on their platform and making it visible for consumers to buy. By the way, you won't have to worry about getting more designs than he intended, because everything is printed on demand, which means there will be no surplus of shirts and thus no losses. Let's take a look at how it works. Step 1. Design and create a custom store instantly. Step 2. Connect your social accounts to promote your launch and share your products with your community. And finally, step number 3. This is where you get the profit you deserve, while they handle the production, shipping, and customer support for you. So before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel.